This is Srinivas Khadanga, principal from Maharshi Vidya Mandir, Balasore, Odisha. Our school code is 15417. The affiliation number is 1530059. This is our school gate. He is Sushil Chandra Saha, security guard of our school. Yes, let's come to our boundary walls. These are our boundary walls. All around the school premises we have made the boundary wall. This is our music room. Mr. Amresh Kumar Patra is our music teacher. He is taking care of all the students, teaching all students. This music we have all instruments also like kango, casio, harmonium, tabla, dholak and drums. This is our class 11 science. As per guidelines of state government of Odisha, they have given SOP that class 11 students should not come at present to school. So our class 11 students are not coming. Our admission is still going on, and whenever the government will be allowed, then we will call the students to school. Start. This is our chemistry lab. As we have arranged, as per the guidelines of CBSE, we have arranged our lab. The students are not coming. When the government will be allowed to them, then our practical will be start. Our sir is only waiting inside.
Myself Adityanan Dev, PGT Chemistry of MBM Baleswar. Now I have done all the practical setup. Now student can come to school and do practical easily.
This is our library. Students of class 9 are at present sitting in this room and reading reference books. Our librarian is also present. Let's come inside. She is Gitanjali Mahanti, librarian of our school. She is taking care of these library periods. Students in free period they are coming to this room and reading the reference books, magazines and newspapers. We have all types of periodicals as well as all reference book we are providing time to our students. This is our staff command room. Our staff members are physically coming to school and they are taking online classes.
Myself, Kanuchala Rana, PGT Math in MDM, Balasi.
I am Salela Mahanti, PGT Odia. Since 92, I am working here.
Myself, Nobin Kaur Mahanti, TGT Social Science. I have been working here since as a TGT Social Science teacher since 2008.
Myself Sanju Sahu, PRT. I am working here since 1995.
This is our office. We have notice board. We are indicating students through notice board all the circulars as well as messages we are sending. And this office includes fee counter as well as exam hall. Here parents are coming and sitting and they are waiting for different works and after completing their work comfortably they are moving from school. This is our fee counter. Regularly parents are coming to deposit their fees through online as well as offline.
My name is Gopal Krishnan Das. I am accountant of the school.
This is our exam section. Related to exam, all the documents as well as exam copies we are storing here, and we have a strong lockers inside it. All the important documents we are storing in the locker. This is our principal office. This is our bio lab. Students of class 11th and 12th, also including 9th, 10th. Those are opting class 11th and 12th students, especially bio. They are coming to this room and opting the practicals. Our bio teacher is also inside. Let's come. He is Swagat Kumar Bari, PGT bio teacher of our school. He is taking care of students, those who opted bio in class 11th and 12th. Students of class 9th and 10th also coming to this hall for doing practicals of bio.
My name is Swagat Kumar Bari. I am PGT in biology. I am here Balasa. And I am starting from here from January.
He is Navin Kumar Mahanti. He is social science teacher of our school. Students of class 6th onwards, they are coming to this hall for social science practical. Practically they are understanding the map as well as globe.
The map is there. It is summer, India summer and rainfall. Temperature also there. It is indicated that especially in the month of April, whenever the rain is there, sometimes rain is coming, which is known as summer rain. It is also known as Kal Vaishakhi. Thank you.
This is our computer lab. Computer teacher is already inside. Students of all classes, they are attending theory as well as practical computer classes. Practical class is very important, so we have arranged our computer lab very properly for students.
My name is Nishikanta Giri. As a computer teacher of the Maharishi Vidya Mandir Balesar, I am taking the classes from 1 to 12. And here we are basically emphasis within the both two classes, that is the theory and the practical classes. All the students are very much disciplined manner. They are accommodated with the practical both the theory classes. That's it.
These are fire safety equipments we have purchased from market as well as for safety of school and staff members as well as students. We are using it. Through this we got our fire safety certificates. It was verified by DFO of Baleswar. We have different types of fire safety equipments.
Myself Radhashyam Panigrahi, yoga and meditation teacher here. I am conducting yoga and meditation of all staffs along with the students for increasing the memory power and effective teaching of this school. This is our meditation room. Here also the staff members and students are practicing here meditation. So here, on behalf of the Maharishi organization, I am conducting the meditation program here since 2008, and all the staff members and teachers and students, they are practicing 2 times here, morning and at the starting of the school time and ending of the school time. 2 times they are practicing transcendental meditation, Maharshi's transcendental meditation here, along with the pranayam and asanas. And for increasing the students' memory power and teachers' effective teaching. It is not only here, all the Maharshi Vidya Mandir schools throughout the India, there is a meditation teacher posted everywhere and conducting this type of program in every schools.
Myself Devendra Kumar Bal, I am physical education teacher, and this is our sports room. We have sports equipment here. Here indoor game facility is also available, like carrom, chess, and other equipment also here available.
This is our physics lab. Students from class 9 to 12. All the students, as per the routine, as well as timetable, they are coming to this hall for doing practical. Our physics practical teacher as well as theory teacher both are already present. They will give their introduction. Let's come inside.
Myself Shivabrata Kaur, PGT Physics in MGM Balasore. I have set up all the instruments in physics lab, and this is an experimental setup for meter base for calculating the resistivity of a given wire. So when the student will come, they can do the practical easily.
This is our maths lab. Students from class 6 to 12. Those students who have maths in class 11, 10, 12, they are coming to this hall for doing practical. As per CBSE guidelines, we are maintaining practical records as well as all the experimental. We are explaining all the theorems as well as formula and its application.
Myself Kanujara Rana, PGT math teacher in MAM Balasore. This is our math lab. This is a place in which one can enjoy the mathematics in informal exploration, and one can generate a problem and also solve this problem in this place. And there are some instruments is there and some aids also are there. One can use this or gain this knowledge from these aids and use this instrument and experiment here and get the result. Thank you.